Hey everybody, this is Esco with Lenovo Data Center. I'm here in Mooresville, North Carolina in the Lenovo campus, Building 8. I'm here to talk to you today about TruScale infrastructure services. Now, people come to Lenovo when they want to increase profitability, get to market quicker, and retain IT employees. But with this particular product, we're focusing on the increase in profitability. That's what Lenovo TruScale infrastructure services is. Let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. Up here above this dotted line, you're going to see the applications that we need to run our business. Now, these are the applications that we've known and loved to run our business since day one. And as we tend to need to grow our business, we're going to increase the need for applications. However, at the same clip, we're going to need to be able to grow the infrastructure that runs those applications. So what ends up happening is that to increase dollars or increase spend, we invest up here. Now, these are good dollars. These are dollars that are going to help our business out. However, the infrastructure costs are typically sunk costs. So these are dollars that negatively impact our bottom line. What if I gave you the ability to take advantage of the business trends as it grows and you need those resources, but to pay at the same rate that you're using or needing these resources? That's exactly what Lenovo TruScale Infrastructure Services is. You're able to have gear on premise, you're able to have a properly sized environment, and based on the ebbs and flows of your business, you will be charged monthly for that. We charge by the watt. So again, this is an on-premise solution that is perfectly scalable, any kind of time frame, any kind of start or beginning or end that you need for this particular infrastructure, and we charge you by the watt on a monthly basis. If you have any questions, shoot me a reply, shoot me a tweet. I'm happy to talk to you more. Thanks for your time.